If you've been thinking about upgrading your cookware but don't want to spend a fortune on luxury brands, I found a set that gives you premium feel without the premium price. Stay with me because I'm going to show you why this Legends 5-ply stainless steel cookware has earned a place in my heart and my kitchen. It's exceeded my expectations, and I'll tell you why it's one of the best investments you can make in your kitchen. So I'm getting a little personal here. I started looking into stainless steel cookware after chemo and radiation because I wanted to be more intentional about the cookware I was using every single day. I wanted something durable, beautifully made, and built to last forever. When I found this Legends set, I was immediately impressed. The first thing you'll notice is how substantial these pans feel. They're made with 5 layers of stainless steel, which helps distribute heat evenly from edge to edge. That means fewer hot spots, more consistent cooking, and much better results whether you're making breakfast, sauteing vegetables, simmering soup, or searing meat. One thing I really appreciate is that there are no interior coatings. You're cooking directly on high-quality stainless steel, and these pans are built to last for years instead of needing to be replaced every few seasons. Now, if you're new to stainless steel, don't let it intimidate you. These are not nonstick pans, but once you learn the simple trick, you just have to preheat the pan and then add your oil or butter and then put the food in. They perform beautifully. I make eggs and grilled cheese all the time, and they come out so much better than I expected. That's always my test for a good pan. Another huge plus is versatility. They work on gas, electric, and induction cooktops, so they're perfect for almost any kitchen. And another huge advantage is versatility. These pans work on gas, electric, glass, and induction cooktops, so they'll fit almost any kitchen. They're also oven safe up to an incredible 800 degrees, which means you can start a recipe on the stove and finish it in the oven without switching cookware. I also love the thoughtful design details. The hollow riveted handles feel secure and comfortable to hold. The flared rims make pouring soups and sauces so much cleaner. And the polished stainless steel finish gives the entire set a timeless professional look. What really surprised me is how this cookware compares to a set that costs significantly more. It has that premium weight, exceptional craftsmanship, and outstanding cooking performance without making you feel like you have to spend a fortune. For me, this is exactly what I was looking for. I wanted a cookware set that felt like a long-term investment, cooked evenly, looked beautiful in my kitchen. Wouldn't this look great hanging from a pot rack? If you're thinking stainless steel is difficult, once you know how to use it, it's actually really easy. For me, this cookware completely solved the problem of wanting a premium quality stainless steel set that feels like an investment instead of something I'll replace in a few years. If I can make one thing in your life easier today, let it be helping you find cookware that you still love years from now. If you've been thinking about upgrading your kitchen, I definitely think this Legends cookware set is worth taking a look at.